How to fix GARENA Free Fire top-up problem on iPhone. So if you want to fix GARENA Free Fire top-up problem on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first is app not available on the App Store after ban. In some regions like India, Free Fire was removed from the App Store due to the government bans. So if the game is not installed through the App Store or in-app purchases, top-up might not work properly. Next, Free Fire Max does not support iOS payments everywhere. So even if you have the Free Fire Max top-ups, might not show you if the app is not fully integrated with the Apple's payment system, which is in your region. And next, payment option missing or error in game. This happens if the app was sideloaded or downloaded from another region, or if your Apple ID region does not match your payment method. So the solutions or the workaround is firstly, you need to change your Apple ID region. So you need to go ahead and create a new Apple ID with region. You can set to Singapore, UAE, Brazil, etc. and further log in with that Apple ID and download Free Fire if available. This might re-enable the app purchases and top-ups. Note that you might need a payment method or none at all. You can also use third-party top-up websites, trusted only, such as Coda Shop Games or Corito if working. Also, you can try to reinstall from official App Store if available. So delete and reinstall the Free Fire application from your App Store and not the third-party sources. And make sure you're using a valid Apple ID with payment method. And if your country banned Free Fire, then you can also try to use VPN. Some users install via VPN or change regions to bypass bans, but this violates the terms of service and may lead to account bans or issues with purchases not being delivered. So this is how you can fix your Free Fire top-up problem in your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.